In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the measuring tape. Okay, so we use this tool to take measurements. Measurements like the height that we place our socket outlets, switches, main switches, and then other things. All right, so when you look at the measuring tape, you can see that it is horizontally divided into two parts. So we have the top part and then we have the down part. You notice that at the top, you can see 25 feet. And then here also, you see 7.5 meters. What it simply means is that the total length of this tape is either 25 feet or 7.5 meters. This is what it simply means. On this measuring tape, two systems of measurement or two methods of measurement have been used to do the markings. So at the top, the system that is used for the marking is known as the imperial system. And then at the down here, the system that is used to do the markings is known as the metric system. So here we have imperial system, here we have metric system. So with the imperial system, we have the markings in inches and then in feet. So this is 1 inch, this is 2 inches, this is 3 inches, this is 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what it simply means is that 12 inches will give you 1 foot. So here we have 1 foot, and when we open it further, here we have 2 feet, we have 3 feet, we have 4 feet. Okay, and it goes on up to 25 feet. So if you have to take a measurement in inches or in feet, you would have to concentrate on the imperial side. Now let's come to the metric side. Here also, you can see the markings from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So you have to understand what these markings mean. From here to 1, how many centimeters, how many millimeters, how many meters? Okay, this is how it works. From here to 1 is 1 centimeter. Then from 1 to here is 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you get here, 10 plus 1 is 11. So here will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then when you get here, here will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So if you are measuring 25 centimeters, you come to 20 meters and then you add 5. So your 25 centimeters will be here. Okay, so what about the millimeters? Okay, so from here to 1, we can't see it properly. So let's take it from 1 here. So the space between here and the next line is 1 millimeter. So if you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what it means is that every 10 millimeter will give us 1 centimeter. That is simply what it means. So if every 10 millimeters will give us 1 centimeter, then it means that from the beginning to here, we would have 100 millimeters. Okay? So from here to here, if we want to call this length in millimeters, then we'll say it is 100 millimeters. Then here will be 200 millimeters. Then here will be 300 millimeters. And here will be 400 millimeters. So if you see a drawing, and on the drawing you are to measure a length of 250 millimeters, then you start counting. From here to here is 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. So your 250 millimeters will come here. So you start from the beginning here, and then you come here. That will be 250 millimeters. If you have to change this to centimeters, then you already know, as for centimeters, here is 20 centimeters. So you just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is just 5. So this one will be 25 centimeters. So when it is 250 millimeters, it is 25 centimeters. Okay, so now what if the measurement that is shown on the plan or on the drawing says 1 meter or 2 meters or 3 meters? If your measurement is in meters, you will just have to convert the centimeters into meters. So let's look at it. When we start from here, we go, we go, and we go, and we go, and we go. We are now looking for 1 meter. And we go, and we go, and we go, and we come here. So it means we would need 100 centimeters to get 1 meter. 100 centimeters will give us 1 meter. Remember, 10 millimeters will give us 1 centimeter. But we need 100 centimeters to give us 1 meter. So if we are looking for 1 meter, we'll have to come to 100 centimeters. Then if we are looking for 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters means that 1.5 meters. So if 1 is 100 centimeters, then half will be 50 centimeters. So if you are looking for 1.5 meters, which is 1.5 meters on this tape, then we would have to go to 150. So this is 110, 120, 130, 140, and then 150. So this one will be our 1.5 meters. 150 centimeters is equal to 1.5 meters. And then if we are looking for 2 meters, then we have to go to 200 centimeters here. So it's very simple. If you know how many millimeters will give you 1 meter, then you start counting from here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then here will be 200, 300 millimeters, 400 millimeters, 500 millimeters, 600 millimeters, 700 millimeters, 800 millimeters, 900 millimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. And then 1 meter is also the same as 100 centimeters. If you have a drawing like this, and then you are given this measurement in centimeters. So here, from the middle line here to this photo cell, you have a measurement of 40 centimeters. Here, you have 35 centimeters. Here, you have 15 centimeters. Here also, you have 15 centimeters. So it means all the dimensions here are given in centimeters. So now, if you have to measure these 40 centimeters on the real working board, when you pick your measuring tape, you know that here, without any stress, you know that this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, and then 40.